Experiencing a frozen screen or no audio in your Nexon EV's infotainment system? These issues often stem from software glitches, hardware limitations, or connectivity problems. Freezing is frequently caused by software conflicts, memory overload, or thermal issues, especially in pre-2023 models. No audio can result from Bluetooth pairing failures, speaker amp malfunctions, or firmware bugs. Tata Motors has addressed many of these issues with OTA updates and recalls, but legacy owners may still encounter problems, particularly in extreme temperatures. Keep your system updated to the latest version to minimize these risks. If problems persist, a reset might be necessary. Start with a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds to reboot. This clears temporary memory. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset by accessing the service menu. Press and hold volume plus and minus while powering on, or disconnecting the 12-volt battery for 5 minutes. As a last resort, perform a factory reset via the settings menu, but be aware that this erases all user data and requires repairing your devices. If all else fails, consult a certified technician to avoid voiding your warranty. The official Tata Nexon EV app now includes a diagnostics tool for self-troubleshooting, which reduces service visits significantly.